So the platform study is also a phase 1 trial of liso-cel CAR T cells from the Juno Therapeutics company, which we are treating patients with relapsed refractory aggressive B-cell lymphomas with. So majority of these patients will be diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, of course. We treated about 16 patients again on 2 dose levels, 8 and 8. Patients received liso-cel after lymphodepletion with fludarabine and cyclophosphamide, as usual, as is done in all the trials. And then they had disease reassessment at the 29-day mark and immediately started Durvalumab right after finishing their day 29. And Durvalumab is a PD-L1 antibody, so the hope and the goal and the hypothesis is that this PD-L1 antibody can modulate the tumor microenvironment and the tumor immune sort of response, so to speak, or immunosuppression response of the body in a way that it enhances not just the CAR T cells to work better and prevent T cell exhaustion and things like that, but also to sort of release the brakes on the tumor suppression that the body is not able to do on its own. So the combination is now the combination cohort is pretty much almost complete in terms of accrual. This study has other cohorts as well, studying other combinations. And so in the 16 patients, 14 patients were actually able to get the cells and get the Durvalumab. Not all of them finished all the Durvalumab doses. It went on for 3 months. But pretty much 14 of the 16 got some, if not all, the Durvalumab doses. And what we found is that the response rate is pretty high, like 90% or so, actually, and the complete remission rates are also very high, 78% or so. And we only have a median of 3-month follow-up, so it's pretty short, but so far we've followed probably five patients out to 6 months, 3 patients out to a year, and we've noticed that majority of patients are maintaining their response if they get sort of beyond 6 months, so to speak. So the results look really good in that too. The difference between this study and the Transcend NHL 001 trial, the original lymphoma trial, is that Transcend NHL 001 trial was a monotherapy trial with just liso-cel, and this trial is combining with Durvalumab, and we've noticed on some PK/PD studies that there might be a little bit better persistence of CAR T cells on this combination study, and that might actually sort of convert the responses to more durable responses, we're hoping. There were 2 patients who converted from PR to CR on this study after Durvalumab. So it's promising, it's still small numbers, short follow-up, but we're hopeful that it'll do more than just liso-cel by itself.